Closet. So it's a little bit messy right now. I've still got to sort all that out. And then we've got just an Otto there because I'm scared that these two are going to try and eat him. But no matter. So I still have to get coat hangers because I've just moved here. So bear with me. But my coloured stuff is going on this side. Work stuff on this side. So at the moment, all my pants and stuff are folded. I do have some stuff in the wash. I've got some shoes here. This is a colour kit. Oh no, this is the hair kit. So I'll do a proper more in-depth video on it, but I'll just show you what I'm like. I'll give you a little snippet of what I'm talking about. So it's like equipment, you know. So I have a lot because I always go through things like crazy. Colours, I've got some developers up here, but yeah, clothes that hasn't been sorted yet. I am probably like going to wait till this is sort of more casual stuff in here anyway, like I don't know, like things like berets, I've got beanies, I've got like casual shirts, you know, like flannelette stuff here, you know. So this stuff still has to be hung up, but I don't really have any coat hangers, so I'm gonna buy them. Laptop bag, you know. I believe this is brushes. Yep, brushes. So behind my bed, I keep these bags here. So I'm doing washing right now, so they're empty. But I'll put like, you know, my lights into this bag and then everything else that will stain each other into that bag. So that's what those are. Housemate also is letting me use this really cool rack. So I've got towels here. I've got like my shawl there, jacket, you know, the stuff that's quite heavy that all like gets in the way when you hang it up. So I was going to show you my bed, but my friend's dog's kind of taken over it, but this is where I sleep, and this is the computer I'm using at the moment. This is actually why I haven't uploaded much, so I'm going to be trying vlogging from my phone. I feel like it'll just be a bit more consistent. So let's get to the fun stuff. The fun stuff here, you know, first I'll show you the worst of it. This is my bin bag. I like to keep a bag for rubbish, so, you know, I have fruit roll-ups in my hairdressing bag that I take to work, so if I can't eat, I've got something that I can have really quickly that keeps me going, because even though it is legal for hairdressers to have lunch breaks, unfortunately client services don't actually always meet up with that. I'm not about to let a client's hair burn off just because I need to take a 5-minute breather. I feel like that's a huge risk, so it's kind of like this issue that's in hairdressing that we can't really solve, because it's not really solvable without like increasing our prices and just hiring more staff so you can take overflow. I'd also like to add that it's not that uncommon to get lunch breaks where I work. I think that this is like just an industry all over problem that we have, and they try and solve it, but it's really just so difficult to figure out. But like, if we're increasing our prices like crazy, people aren't really going to accept that. So unfortunately it's like a double-edged sword situation. So firstly, you might laugh at this. So when I go to the market, I have a bread bag. I love things like this. So this is just like, this isn't always consistent. This is just from my last market trip. So I've got like some Danishes and things that will go with soup, right? So this is my products. So like moisturizer. I pretty much just use anything generic on my skin. Like I try and keep it simple because I find that my skin's pretty good anyway, but I'm also quite sensitive, so sometimes the harsh chemicals in a lot of products will actually cause my skin to redden and get blotchy, which you guys will have seen in the past. I've got like some Sebastian products, MC Co. Everybody in hairdressing seems to be wearing this and we all seem to love it. I actually really like these kind of things. I've been using these as like a room freshener as well as I guess my body spray, if you want to call it that. I've got like a few different brands. Like if your hair is damaged, this whole system is amazing. I absolutely love it. And I recommend this for everybody. I don't care where you buy it as long as you know it's legit, because if you get it on Amazon, sometimes they're fake. So be aware of that, or even online. I kind of trust salons a bit more with that. Now, I love this product too. And whenever I tell clients that this lasts forever, this I have had for so long. I use it a lot. I use it so much. And honestly, I think its smell started going funny and yeah. But it's like, I love this product. I call this liquid gold. I feel like it's amazing for most people. So there's these two. My boyfriend's sister actually made all this for me. So that's cute. And she made like a cuff as well. She made it like rainbow and stuff. So yeah, keep that up here. Got my necklaces. Everybody knows I like quirky necklaces. Ever since COVID, I've actually needed these here and there. I was never asthmatic before, but now, yeah. Lady items. Any hairdresser who like does a lot of blow weaving and basin work and foiling even, probably cutting even, like pretty much the whole thing, you should get one of these elastic bands and do shoulder stretches. So I'm trying to get as close, so it's got numbers, right? The closer, it's like each little hole has a number. So 1 is 1 of these sections, 2 is 2 of these sections, 3 is 3 of these sections, right? And you really just can use that to stretch your muscles. It's great, but you really need to look after your shoulders. This is the first ring that my boyfriend gave me, and I've got it here. I know it's kind of weird to keep candy, but like, I thought it was cute. So yeah. So down here, so these are a bunch of CDs we're taking to my mom. She doesn't know yet. We've got a bunch of bags that are reusable, cough drops, Q-tips, because I love Q-tips. My scrunchie, my little pin thing. Underneath here, I think it's a bunch of coins. Yeah, a bunch of coins. Makeup brushes and stuff. Books. This is a salon I work for, if anybody's curious. So I work for this chain. Then I've got a bunch of cords up here. I've got a bunch of okay, so I feel like, I know I've got heaps of these. I feel like it's kind of weird, but I don't really feel justified throwing them out when they still work. So I have them for emergency sake for my laptop if my headphones break. Playing cards, I got this. So my boyfriend's sister got me this as well. We were at Macca's and she got a Happy Meal and we thought it was hilarious to get Crocs. So yeah. Then these are from America. I'm kind of scared to eat them. I don't know. I just, they look really spicy, so I'm kind of and my partner said that they were bad, so I'm kind of scared to eat them. Then I have a collection of noodles. This is my, I might be broke 1 week collection. My water bottle, and yeah, so I guess that's all. So yeah, that's really my whole room. I know it's not that interesting, but that's where I'm living.